Hi, I am back with a new video. It's me Yajindra and you are watching Codewithyaji. Today we will discuss about free resource to learn web development. I mainly suggest free resource to learn for beginners as not everyone have money to buy courses. In this video I have listed 10 free resources to learn web development. Career choice is difficult process through since there are several criteria to take in account, such as wherever it suit you well, wherever it make you happy, the salary, the working hour, benefit, and etc. And in comparison, web development seems to be one of the most favorable choice. Here's why people want to learn web development. Web development are in high demand throughout the world and the demand along with the salary is rising. This flexibility to switch country or choose to freelancing. Statistical predicate indicate that rapid growth of web development will continue. These are some main reasons to learn web development. Before starting, I want to request all my lovely viewers to subscribe my channel as our channel keep on uploading video related to web development and all topics that every successful programmer need. Without further delay, let's start our video. In our first list, we have FreeCodeCamp. This website is my personal favorite. FreeCodeCamp is probably one of the best free resources on the internet to learn web development. It covers every topic you need to learn: HTML and CSS like as Flexbox, Bootstrap, Sass, and Grid, and JavaScript like as jQuery and React. It also teaches you everything about responsive web design. The website offers you hundreds of projects and exercises to test your knowledge. FreeCodeCamp is my personal favorite site as I used to learn from here. In our second list, we have Coursera. Coursera is used online course catalogs where you can easily find the web development classes you are looking for. The courses are designed in partnership with university and education institution. The sophisticated filtering system allows the student to choose not just the field and topic, but also the degree and the level of the course. There you can find many free course which helps to level up your skill. Finally, what's cool about Coursera is that upon graduation you can get an online certificate as formal proof of completion, and you can attach that certificates in your resume. In our third list, we have Udemy. Udemy is huge and offers courses in extremely diverse fields from health and music to programming. Most of the Udemy courses are paid, however, there are also a set of free course. They are plenty decent for getting started. The filtering system will allow you to find the kind of course you are looking for. The free course topic and level vary drastically from HTML5, CSS, and AngularJS courses to PHP and MySQL building. Udemy is very comfortable for people with busy schedule since the courses come with lifetime access, so you can take the course at flexible time. Each and every competition Each and every course take in Udemy comes with completion certificate that can be added to your online resume, for example, your LinkedIn profile and other. In our fourth list, we have edX. If you are looking for true academic course of web development, edX is the choice for you. edX offers both degree and non-degree course from distinguished universities such as MIT, Harvard University, and Sorbonne, etc. edX course provides a true classroom experience with university syllabus and corresponding assignment, test, and exam. Each course description contains detail about course information such as average course length, average effort, the subject, the language, the instruction that offers the course, etc. However, shares or deal with edX. If you are looking for free course, you can enroll in edX course and pass all the exam. But to get official degree or even a course graduation certificate, you have to pay full course fee. In our fifth list, we have Udacity. Udacity offers free online course in partnership with leading IT companies such as Google, AT&T, GitHub, Amazon, etc. The course level vary from beginner to intermediate to advanced, as Udacity offers a variety of courses. Udacity puts an emphasis on practice, which anyone who have ever studied computer science or web development knows is a big plus. The class all are interactive with videos and quizzes to test yourself and check your level of understanding ever once in a while. Most of the course also support by a big helping community students. Some course also require building mid-course project for ever more practical learning experience. Since Udacity offers non-degree course, it doesn't provide you certificate. Those who are watching up to here, you all deserve successful in programming career, and I'm here to help you. Therefore, subscribe and turn on that notification bell as you get instant notification of my precious video. In our sixth list, we have Traversy Media. Traversy Media is a YouTube channel created by Brad Traversy. His YouTube channel covers nearly every topic regarding to web development, from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to all different frameworks and libraries such as Sass, Bootstrap, Angular, React, and Vue. He also makes tutorials showing you how to make your web page and website. I have watched most of his video and I think he is a fantastic guy. Check out his video in addition to our course. In our seventh list, we have W3 School. I don't never claim W3 School is a place where you can actually learn web development and become pro. It's not. However, if you are an absolute beginner and are still looking to understand the very basic, then W3 School could be very helpful. You can find HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap, XML tutorials here. Each tutorial is written in a simple and very technical language so that people who have absolutely no experience in coding can understand. The topics are supplemented with a set of simple tasks inviting the user to put their knowledge to use. In our eighth list, we have Alishon. Alishon is another big skill building platform with course varying from language and lifestyle to web development. The owner of the website believes free education is the base of progress, so all of the courses are absolutely free. However, if you need a certificate, you have to pay for it. The course material mainly consists of audio video classes to make process more interactive. The web development courses topic include CSS, HTML5, JS, as well as Angular, Node, etc. There are several assignments throughout the courses, and in order to consider a course graduation and get official certification, minimal score should be 80%. In our ninth list, we have the New Boston. With more than 2 million subscribers, the New Boston is one of the most popular YouTube channel on web development. Brusky Robots initially started this as a YouTube channel, but it has grown now in an online community. There are over 4,000 video tutorials that cover a wide range of topics. Some of these include gaming development, web development, computer programming, and many others computer related topics. Some of these Video on this channel are HTML5 tutorial, playlist, JS tutorial for beginner and Python. At last, we have MDN Web Dock. MDN Web Dock is valuable online resource created by an online community of developers which is updated regularly by employees of Mozilla, Apple, Google and Microsoft. You can easily source for what you are looking for and find explanation from credible professionals. They even include entire lessons for learning web development. So this much for today. Which one do you think is the best resource to learn and start learning from today? I wish you will be one successful web developer. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. This will motivate me to make precious content for you. So I will see you next time with new video. Thank you.